अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम फरमाने वाला है।
I now request Tariq Istiqlal Ali Mohsin to recite the verses from the Holy Quran. 177 of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. The President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan is pleased to appoint Mr. Justice Naeem Ahmad Khan, Chief Justice, High Court of Balochistan, as a judge of the Supreme Court of Pakistan with effect from the date he takes oath of his office. I request Mr. Justice Qazi Faiz, Chief Justice of Pakistan, to administer the oath of office to Mr. Justice Naeem Ahmad Khan as Judge, Supreme Court of Pakistan.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I do solemnly swear that I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan, that as Judge of the Supreme Court of Pakistan, I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability, and faithfully, in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law. That I will abide by the code of conduct issued by the Supreme Judicial Council. That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. That I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. And that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people. According to the law, without fear or favor, protection or opinion. May Allah Almighty help and guide me. Amen.
So we are having a motion to conclude proceedings of the resolution. The ceremony is concluded. Thank you for your participation. The guests are requested to proceed for the resolution sessions. Thank you.
Hello.